Hey guys, welcome to my new tutorial. As you can see, I already have a tons of coins in Chikii application. Before make this video, I tried many fake websites on the internet which has never worked for me. But this one is 100% legit. You just need to follow few steps carefully, and you will get the resources. It works on both device, Android, and iOS too, so no need to worry about it. But before you start, make sure you have installed the latest version of Chikii app. If you already have it, you can start the first step. Open your mobile browser and type this website. Alright, now we are on the website main page. To start the process, type your Chikii ID, select which device are you using, Android or iOS, then select how much coins and gems do you want, and simply just tap the Generate button to add the resources. As you can see, the generator started to add the coins to your account. This takes some time. Depend of your internet speed and your device hardware. So be patient and wait the end. We are so close. You need to finish the verification, which needs to download 2 mobile applications from the list, run each for 30 seconds, or reach levels in a game. If you do these steps properly, you will get the resources almost instantly to your account. Okay, now everything's done. Open the Chikii application and boom, we got the coins instantly. Now you can play any game on Chikii for free. Hopefully enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will help to you guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We will meet in the next one.